Okay, Ben.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright, so this is the Ducati, the 996S. We started to take apart. We took off the fairings, the gas tank, the seat, not sure what this is called yet, but it's like the air box and everything for the engine. Noticed a lot of things are old and dry rotted. This one hose connects to the air box. I'm not sure exactly what it does, but when I try to take off there's barely any resistance. It just came right off.
It just kind of fell apart on you, right?
Yeah. Taking off the gas tank, there's all these hoses. I think this is the breather hose. That was pretty simple. There's not a whole lot. That hose is fine. These are the two fuel lines, I'm pretty sure. This one came off pretty easily. It's still kind of intact, but will probably need to be replaced. This one was already broken when I got off the gas tank. I got the gas tank off. Just looking inside the engine through these guys, it's pretty dirty in there. And we'll probably have to get cleaned out.
Okay.
Other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. The wires underneath the seat for the aftermarket taillights were a whole mess, so we had to cut off part of them because we'll have to redo them. Other than that, just gotta finish taking things apart and find out what needs to be replaced and what needs to be done.
Slow and steady, right?
Yep.
All right.